Hi guys, so we're currently here in Patrick's on the beach, Siargao Island, Philippines. So I'll show you the beachfront of this affordable beach resort here in Siargao. So there you go. So there's the beachfront of Patrick's on the beach, Siargao. So here's their beachfront accommodation. Okay, I'm not sure if they call this one as tree house. Okay, and let's go inside. Let's check out the surroundings of Patrick's on the beach, Siargao. So as what you can see, they do have beach beds there. Okay. So there are tables in here, and they do have beach beds. Then here are the cottages. So I guess they have two types of cottages here. Okay, ours is superior cottage. That one. And there are also deluxe cottages. Okay. So this is the tree house. Beachfront accommodation here in Patrick's on the beach. Okay. So let's check out the restaurant here in Patrick's on the beach. Okay, so here's the restaurant in this resort. So restaurant is open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Hello, David.
Hello. Hello. So here's what they have in the restaurant. And there's the beachfront. Hello.
Smallest camera
Yeah.
I have ever seen.
Yeah. It's DJI Osmo. So there are more cottages here. Okay, I had to stop my video because a guest actually greeted me and she was curious about the camera that I'm using. Okay. So we're heading towards the entrance of Patrick's on the beach. So they're building another room here. Okay, and there's the reception. Hello po. Then here are the big rooms here in Patrick's on the beach. The family rooms. Okay. And there's the main road, tourism road here in Siargao. If you're looking for an affordable beach resort here in Siargao, I would highly recommend Patrick's on the beach. I guess they do have the cheapest rates for a beachfront accommodation here in Siargao. And good news is I'm giving you a huge discount if you book your Patrick's on the Beach room on my link in the description box below. So again, this is One Arm Wonder. Thank you for watching.